In this tutorial, I'm gonna let you know the ways to add post on Gumtree Australia or overseas, from overseas. So in order to add post on Gumtree, you have to follow the steps. So go ahead and open up a browser, and then on the web address bar type in gumtree.com. So when you're logged into your account, that's going to take you to the home page. While you're on this page, you could go ahead and press on the tab bar icon, and on this page you could go to manage ads. As soon as you press on manage ads button, here click on post an ad. As you press on it, you'll be directed to the page where you can start with the posting, or you could add ads, or you could go ahead and start with the ads. Now here you need to go ahead and select what you want to sell. So first of all, you could go ahead and start a listing. So I'm going to go with the car or all of that. Now you need to go ahead and enter your registration as well as state, and then click on find my car. Once you've actually done with this procedure, you just have to follow to the next step where you have to go ahead and enter all of the details that has been mentioned. And likewise, you could go ahead and post ad on Gumtree from overseas. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.